Chivichela Mkonto Chivichela. My name is Sankara, organizer in We are here at Jukugaran in the Far East Sub-region. The program today starts with the Blitz. We have a POA of the region. It's called Voters Reflection Lecture, where we reflect as Umkhonto weSizwe Ekurhuleni, since we are the government in waiting to say. We are the government in waiting. We need to do a voters contact. We need to reflect our election work. Also, we still maintain that where is our vote? Because we have a strong feeling that the votes were rigged. Hence, you see the matter is currently in court. So all we are saying in Ekurhuleni is that when we come into governance, we are going to make sure that citizens of Ekurhuleni, they receive their basic needs. Service delivery is going to be improved. Activism, safeguarding, as we are encouraging the society. We want to see a black man being liberated. You must also remember that we have a rich history when it comes to apartheid, that we were deprived. But now, it has been revealed that people were claiming to be revolutionaries. Unfortunately, those were counter-revolutionaries standing against the black man, mediating with the white man, making sure that they secure their personal wealth. Instead of the national interest, they push their own interest. So we are saying as Ekurhuleni that a man must be liberated. A man, an indigenous man of Ekurhuleni, a black man must enjoy all what is due to him. Also, Umkhonto is going to contribute in making sure that the education system, the service delivery of it is an issue. Currently, I'm speaking, there's a water crisis in Ekurhuleni, in most of the parts of Ekurhuleni. So we are pleading that people must vote for Umkhonto weSizwe for a better life. People must vote for Umkhonto weSizwe for true liberation, not what we've seen in 1994. What we've seen in 1994, it's what we've seen now during the president's visit in the United States. We are saying, down to the markets to detect the struggle of a black man. We won't be detected by the market, we won't be detected by capital. We are saying a black man must be liberated.